If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos photographers, today our challenge that we're going to be pursuing all this week is actually taking images of and using the things that we've been learning over the last several weeks to perfect our knowledge and our storytelling within the photograph, to now being able to style and to prepare in the design of the image that we will take, the story, so that we know exactly where in time our image is placed in the hero's story and what elements must be placed within it to tell that story leading up to this moment of time. So the last week we were critiquing images of other photographers, artists, but today the challenge for this week is to practice designing. So this challenge is designing. It's still not photography, but it is specifically to practice designing your storytelling and understanding the specific time or place temporarily of your image, that your subject, object, whatever your hero is, whoever your hero is, knowing exactly where they are placed in the story. What elements must be placed in the photograph to tell the story of where they have traveled, their history in that story. And maybe even if you're taking an image of showing the timeline from beginning of story to return, then you use some way of demonstrating the timeline of this is the beginning of their journey, this is where they are, and this is their return. But the point is to practice designing your shot. How are you going to communicate this is where they are, this is their future, this is their history? Design that to be able to tell a story thoroughly without confusion and predictably. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing your comments about how this thought process has helped you in your storytelling, and we look forward to seeing any images you want to share with us. Thank you so much. Give us a thumbs up so that other people can join us on this journey of transformation. And if you are not yet a subscriber to our channel, we would love to add you to our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.